Hi, I'm Nate, and this is Photolearningism. I want to show you 2 must-know keyboard shortcuts for Krita. Let's do that. So I'm Nate, this is Photolearningism. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. 2 must-know keyboard shortcuts in Krita to save yourself some time and get things done. Let's do that. All right, so this is Krita, and I want to first jump into the rotate canvas. This is a not well-known option where you can actually rotate the image that you're working on using Control and the brackets, where you could spin the image around. And this is not actually rotating it in the sense of how the file is going to save it. This is literally just shifting the workspace around in a circle, either to the right or to the left, depending on which bracket you use. And just so you're on par with me with which buttons we're pushing here, let me just activate what I'm doing here, and you can see we're looking at these 2 buttons right here, the brackets on the lower side, the left and the right, used in conjunction with either control key, and that will get the job done. All right, so that is to rotate the screen to do those things. The second one, which is really valuable, is along similar lines, and it's a one-time press. It's actually the M button. What that does is that it inverts the screen horizontally in case you were working on something that's just better served by looking at it from the other perspective. That can be a really useful quick toggle if you're drawing, and again, you're just trying to speed along and you're trying to draw and you're trying to get out a certain way, especially if you're one-hand dominant, which most of us are. This can put the part of the image that you need on the other side. If you're using a digital pad or even just using the mouse, that makes the most sense. Krita does a great job of offering you options so you can treat it more like a drawing experience rather than trying to draw on the computer. They try to make it as organic as possible for the artistic expression process. So once again, that was using the control and either the left or the right flat brackets. I showed you where they are on the keyboard, and the other one is using the M key, which will work. You press it once. If you hold it, it does this kind of funny move. So press it once and then press it again, depending on how you want to invert the image, just to set the image as you're working on it and doing things and making things happen as you go, just so you can get through the image. So really quick, really easy, really powerful. All right, that's the concept. That's what I was hoping to communicate. I'm Nate, this is Photolearningism. Give me a thumbs up if this quick tip was helpful for you. Consider subscribing if you haven't done that already. We'll be doing a lot of tutorials and quick tips in the future. Leave a comment, ask a question, become involved with the community of like-minded creators, and I will see you at the next video. Hi, I'm Nate, and this is Photolearn. Show you 2 must-know keyboard shortcuts for Krita to make things more efficient and time. Okay, one more time.